guys, so basically you're gonna have to punch these things back in just the same way you took them out, and then hog tie all the little clips around the bottom. So this is the airbag. Airbag's right there. Alright guys, so I got all the hog rings in. The leather seat is pretty much done. This has a few wrinkles in it. Those are the hard wrinkles that's in it because it's folded up in that box for so long. But yeah. Obviously this looks better in real life than it looks better in person, but yeah, pretty soft. I'm probably gonna get the steamer and go over this a little bit. Not too bad, still squishy a little bit, but yeah, I got the pillars done. Airbags are done. Just gotta plug them back in. We're good to go. A couple of wrinkles there, but hey, it's easy to get those out. This is road wire, also known as cat skin. Cat skin bought out the road wire company, so yeah. Hit the thumbs up if you want to. Hopefully this showed you guys that it's pretty easy to install these things. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to get it done. Of course, when you go to the dealership, they're gonna get it and do all the steaming and stuff, and then give it to you. So that's what I gotta do to it. Alright guys, so I got the rear seat, the upper rear seat off. This thing is it was kind of crazy to get this thing off, but just wanted to show you guys again. It's the same thing, just Velcro on the sides, and there's no hog ties on this one. No hog ties, just Velcro, and there you go. The clips are in there, so you don't need any hog rings or it's going to be pretty much a plug and play type of thing here. Just don't rip these little things off though. be careful when pulling these out if you're saving them. If you're not saving them, just go ahead and use the razor blade to cut it. So you got these little clips in here and the Velcro. So imagine going to go get this installed by a professional and they're going to charge you $400 to $600 to do this, and you can do it yourself. That's why I made the video, so hopefully this helps someone out. Alright, so this is the leather cover here, and it's pretty much you're putting in these little things here. You're going to push these down inside, and once you're done, you also got to well, you're going to velcro this down inside, zip it up, and you're done. That's how easy the back seat is. The hardest thing about the back seat is getting it out. I just did a YouTube short about how to take this out, so if anyone is interested in changing their upholstery, whether you got like the factory one or you're upgrading it, this will show you how to do all that. That's why I recorded this whole thing. I just did this. I'll be done. I would have been done with this probably in one day, just the back seats, and those are more difficult than the front seats, in my opinion. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Bye. Couldn't massage all those wrinkles out. It was pretty much folded up in the box for a while. So yeah, now my car's gonna be hot as hell. Yep, there we go. Got some wrinkles in the middle there, but it's all installed. It's really easy. You can see down there. Looks better than the OEM stuff. Easy to clean as well.